Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and at the same time see my screen. So today I'd like us to look at the charts on my screen. We'll be looking at silver. We'll look at gold. We'll look at the main three instruments pairs. Then we'll look at silver. Sorry, we'll look at SP500. Then we'll look at many others. So let's start off with this one. So on this chart, basically we're having a very good resistance zone here. We have a very good resistance zone here. We have a resistance zone here. We have a support, we have a support, we have a support, and we have a support here. So as long as the price does not break below these green zones, we will be waiting for a bounce from them to pick a buy position, a bounce from here to pick a buy position, a bounce from here to pick a buy position, and a bounce from here to pick a buy position. And if the price breaks below those zones, we will be looking for a sell in that direction. If the price breaks above these red zones, we'll be looking for a buy position. The next chart I want us to look at. This is Euro USD 1 hour. So with Euro USD so far, we are having a very good resistance. This chart has not loaded. Just a second. So on this chart, the price is in a very good uptrend. As you can see, we have green zones, we have green zones, we have green zones, and we have green zones. And as it seems now, it looks like the price keeps forming higher green zones. We had a lower zone. We had one here, had another one, we had another one, and we had another one. And as we're talking right now, the price continuously is moving to the upper side. So keep looking for buy positions. Expect the price to clearly ascend and close above this zone. If the price should break and close above it, that will be a very good sign that we are now continuing to the upper side. So it means that as long as the price is held above these two lines, we will be looking for buy positions. So the next chart is GBP USD. This is also upwards. As you can see, the price keeps forming higher, like it keeps breaking. We keep seeing bullish breakout structures. We had the first one, we had the next one, we had the next one, and as it is right now, we are waiting for a clear breakout above this line to mean that the price is continuing to the upper side. The other chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. So with the US dollar Japanese yen, so far the price is bearish. We are downwards. You can see that we've had several downtrend indications. We had a supply zone, 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 and currently where the price is now is a very good, where the price is now is a very good demand zone. Here we have another demand zone, we have another demand zone, and we have another demand zone here. So expect the price to continue downwards up to this zone where we'll be looking for a buy position. We have another buy position here, we have another buy position there. In case the price descends below any of these lines, we will be looking for a trade in the direction of that breakout. The other chart, this is gold. So gold, so far we have a very good supply zone here, we have a supply zone here, we have another one here, and we have a very good demand zone here. So technically, as it is right now, and the price looks like it is in a sell, but if you draw your lines like the when we draw our lines like this, you can see that we have a support, there is a break below, we have a resistance, 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 and we have a resistance here. So as it is right now, we are looking for sell positions, we're looking for sell orders. We expect the sellers will push us downwards towards this green zone. The next green zone is this one. The price descends below it, then that will be a sign that we're now continuing in that direction. So that is my opinion on that chart. The next chart is Bitcoin. With Bitcoin, so far the price is still consolidating. The price is still consolidating. We have price being above a very good zone, but so far it has not made any clear moves to the upper side. We have this, have a very good resistance here. You can see this zone here. We do expect that if the price can break and close above 31.16.3.93, we want to see a retracement back to the same zone to pick a buy position. So as long as the price is held between these two lines, we are waiting for price here or for price here. If it breaks above, that will mean we are continuing to the upper side. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.